You say, how do you say orange? Orange? How do you do orange? Orange. Sophie, how about green? Green. How about yellow? Yellow. How about blue? Yes. How about orange? Orange, like you're squeezing an orange. How about red? Red. How about pink? How about pink? Yes. How about brown? Yes. How about black? Black. Good girl. Did I miss any? Destiny, say love you.